Hey guys, what is up? Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to my second video today of Master Affiliate Profits. I wanted to share my success story with it so far, share the fact that I finally made my first commission, and kind of do a breakdown again of what Master Affiliate Profits is. So, if you would like to join Master Affiliate Profits after you've seen this video, go down to my description and comment section, as the link will be there for you guys to join up. It is an amazing system. There's lots of training, lots of absolutely great value inside of this system. It does work, it is amazing, and I love it so far. I've had a really good go so far with it, and it's just been amazing. So first of all, what Master Affiliate Profits is, if you didn't catch my review video, I do suggest that you do check it out. But Master Affiliate Profits is basically created by this gentleman right here, John Thornhill, and his other business partner. I believe they're business partners, Omar Martin. Both are extremely great people to follow in this industry. John Thornhill is the guy that owns the Ambassador Program. He also owns Partnership to Success, and now he owns as well Master Affiliate Profits. And Master Affiliate Profits was created with, as I mentioned in my review video, it was created with a few things in mind. For one, John wanted to beat out the fact that vendors steal our leads. Now, when you think about traditional affiliate marketing, you basically go in and you promote your link and you get sales. But here's the one thing that you don't know about, and this is kind of a secret thing that no one knows about, and they wonder why they struggle. So what happens is, you get that one sale. So let's say I go and take a lead to something on Warrior Plus, and so you get taken to Warrior Plus, you want that product, you go and buy it. Well, now you end up on the vendors list as well, because it's also an effective way, if you become a vendor, to get buyers leads, because the leads are, you know, they are buyers, they bought your product. The thing is that they are now on your list, and what happens then is you can email them yourself as the vendor. But that's also bad for us affiliates, because when we go and we promote other products, if it happens to be the same as the vendor, well, they might go with the vendor if they like the vendor's product that they bought the first time. They'll go and buy the other products that he or she promotes, and then they'll buy it from him or her, and you'll lose out on the sale. So John Thornhill made Master Affiliate Profits for that reason, because Master Affiliate Profits has it so that basically your leads come in, and they are your leads, and they are your leads forever. So they are your leads for a lifetime. The other great thing is the way that the income works. Now, the other reason that affiliate marketers struggle in this industry, and the one thing that I've seen, is that you struggle when you try and sell things, simply because when you go and offer those one-time, it's kind of a mix of number one as well, when I mentioned about the vendors. But what happens is if you sell something and it's a one-time fee, okay, let's think about it. Your lead goes and buys something that's a one-time fee, okay? Now, I've seen a couple of systems that, you know, have it so that your leads are hard-coded to you for life, and that there are other ways to earn with those leads, but nothing like this. And here's why else affiliates fail. Basically, if you get that one-time fee and that one-time sale, basically that might be it from that lead. You might not get any more sales after that from that one lead. So that means that that's it. You only get that one-time sale, and then you sit there emailing that lead for eons and not get another sale. There is a chance, of course, that a lead will keep buying, but the truth is that they're now on that other vendor's list, and they might buy from the vendor. I know, because when I first started out in affiliate marketing, I was doing it wrong myself. And to be honest, I would often buy from someone who emailed me, but then I'd go and buy from the vendor because I was like, oh, they're offering this, and then I'd go and buy it. And that was when I was chasing products. Where this is different is MAP, though, Master Affiliate Profits, builds on recurring income. So if your leads come into the system, basically your leads will go and opt in, they sign up, and they might get one of the memberships. If they get one of the memberships, you got recurring income for months, years, whatever. You get recurring commissions. I will get into the memberships in a bit, but I just want to explain that. So you get to build recurring income. And I'm going to say, as an affiliate marketer, one of the best ways to build your income, and I know this from experience myself, if you've been on my channel for a bit now, you'll see that I am part of a few different systems that offer recurring income, such as My Lead Gen Secret, and there's a couple of others. I can't think of all the things right now, but basically that's where I'm making recurring income. So things like My Lead Gen Secret build on recurring income, and the more that you get recurring income, the more you make. So eventually, when you're getting enough recurring income, that can build up to thousands a month. I know personally of people who have My Lead Gen Secret who are earning thousands, and they earn thousands because they've got affiliates under them and are making thousands of recurring income just alone. And that's not including the extra sales that they get on top of that throughout the month. So you can see already where recurring income is the better of either a one-time fee or a recurring. So I used to think that recurring income wasn't that great, simply because if someone signed up, I was afraid, well, okay, but what happens if that person, drops off? They're no longer your customer on that specific product, and then you lose out on recurring commissions. But I was looking at it wrong. The recurring income is the way to go. The one-time fee is not. It's good if you have something that's high-end that you can get $500 per sale on, but recurring income is the way to build your income leading up to doing high-ticket sales. So that's where Master Affiliate Profits also excels. Master Affiliate Profits is also a system that allows you to come in and learn. On the side here, you'll see that you've got your live training, you've got list building, you've got email marketing, you've got traffic training, you've got video marketing, creating bonuses, social media. Like, all these are things that you can learn. So you can even learn how to blog and things like that. John created this so that you, as an affiliate or an aspiring affiliate, can come in, learn the business, and learn it under one roof, instead of, let's say John's teaching about email marketing, and then all of a sudden you go, okay, I want to learn social media marketing. Well, John may not offer social media marketing, so now you have to go find someone who does offer social media marketing. You see what I'm saying? This is all under one roof. It's something that they've excelled at, like creating bonuses, video marketing, things like that. They've done it all, and they have put it under one roof. And that's where Master Affiliate Profits also excels. So yeah, he's got live training, and this is all done with a free account. You can start out with a free account, and it is an amazing system. I love it. I've been having lots of success with it. I've gotten a couple of leads here and there, and I've been promoting it hard, actually, the last couple of weeks. But let's go to upgrade really quick, and I just want to show you guys the upgrades. Now, I am going to myself be getting an upgrade eventually, but here's the different upgrades. So you can upgrade to the 37 per month if you want. It isn't required, but you can upgrade if you wish. And the things that are included with the silver package is affiliate tools and training, beginner income lessons, live discovery training, Discovery Vault, and then you've got 100% commissions on upsell 1. You've got commissions on all levels, 40%. You've got commissions on add-ons, 30%. Commissions on clicks, 10%. And commissions on live workshops, 10%. So you see what's pretty cool about that is that, you know, you still get commissions no matter what level you're on. So even the free version, like you can get 100%, 25%, 20, 10, 5 on the gold. I couldn't remember what this one was. You know, you get 150, 35, 10, 15, and then of course you get 175, 50, 10, 20. So you can see that that you get commissions all across the board. It doesn't matter what level you're on. So you can be free, you can be silver, you can be gold, and you can be platinum. You also get third-party commissions all the way across. Platinum only gets tier 2 commissions. And then of course you got Rapid Digital Assets, which I have this book. It's an amazing book. He teaches you how to make your own product and the ropes to creating your own product, which you can sell as a silver member, gold member, or platinum member. You can also get the commission experts, which is for gold and platinum, and then the VIP strategy call, which is for platinum only. And then for traffic, so you get done for you traffic, except you have to be platinum to get the done for you traffic. But what's pretty cool about that is I've heard a lot of the people who sign up to platinum do actually make sales with the done for you traffic quite a bit. So the done for you traffic is a really good upgrade, and this is the one I'm going to go for once I've built up some recurring commissions inside of this. But I am going to be jumping to platinum so I can get the done for you traffic, and of course all the upsells and everything else. So that's pretty cool. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Again, you can start out for free and do what I'm doing, start out for free and just kind of build up to platinum, or you can I would recommend doing it that way if you want, or you can upgrade right away, and that's totally up to you. But it is your call. This is, this is your oyster, as they say. So really good system. Doesn't matter if you're free or if you're platinum, it does work. But let's get to my success. So I just had this happen the other day, and I was completely surprised by it. It took me by surprise, and it was actually late at night when it happened. I think it was like 11:30 at night, and I all of a sudden went into my email, and this showed up. Now, if you remember in my review video, I said I hadn't had any sales yet, but of course I just started promoting it hard, and now I have commissions here. So you can see it's the 100% commission. Someone bought one of the upsells, and so I made $9.43 there, and that's pretty cool. $2 of this did have to go to verifying, because I got my first commission. I had to verify myself, and you have to pay the $2. Just it comes out of your commission, so you don't have to worry about, you don't have to pay anything extra. But it's just to verify your ID to make sure that you are who you say you are. Many different platforms do it nowadays, like Warrior Plus and things like that. It's just a safety precaution so that you're not, saying you're that person and you're not. You know what I'm saying? So it's just kind of something that many platforms are doing nowadays. But I will be getting $7.43 after that $2 goes through. So that's pretty cool. My first commission. I know it looks low, but you know what? Hey, I'm happy with it. It's still a commission, and at the end of the day, this has great value mixed into it. Now, another thing I want to show you guys is when you guys get into now I gotta make sure that this doesn't go down near my leads. Not that I Okay, it does kind of go down a little bit. I'm gonna try and. Okay, there we go. So you can pick your squeeze page. Just nope, it's not on this page after all. Okay, I'm gonna just do it this way. I'm trying to find where. It might be in my leads, I guess. No. It's too far down, I guess. But there is a spot in either the leads or the link settings where you can actually get some emails for your autoresponder. You can actually hook up your autoresponder directly to MAP. And so when people come in to your system, they will go into your autoresponder, which is pretty cool. I've been really enjoying the system. I think it's amazing. It does work, and it is amazing. You guys should check it out. But for now, you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.